guys, welcome back to Krish Craft and Study. So today what we are going to make? We are going to make something special, and that is motor force. So here things we require is one motor, 3 batteries, one cello tape, a battery connector and LED with one asterisk. So what we have to do? We have to take the motor first and connect it with the ice cream sticks. And then we have to take the LED bulb and connect it with the battery. So I will do it and then show you. So I've connected LED with battery and motor with ice cream stick. So I will first put LED in the box. If you have any empty pencil box or like that, you can. So first I will put it in this. Okay, I will fix it first. I will paste. I will fix it. Then I will put it. So from front it will look like this. Okay, now I will on it. I will switch on it. See, so bright. It's looking so bright. So we have done our battery work. Now what we are going to do, we have to connect batteries with the motor. Okay, so first we have to connect battery with the motor, and then I will so I have paste battery here. So before connecting it with motor, I have to paste the motor here. Okay, so first I'll paste and then show you. So I pasted water here and covered with cello tape so that water cannot enter inside the motor. So now we have to connect the wires of the battery in the motor. So I have connected battery with water. Now I will test it. Yes, it's working. Now our motor boat is ready to use in water. So I will use in water now. So I have switched on the light. Now I'm going to switch on the motor. Okay. So I switched on the battery. So see, it's running in water. See, in batteries are it's quite so much. So we have to put 4 or more batteries to make it so fast. See how much it's working. So for like this interesting videos, subscribe my channel Krish Craft and Study. Thank you.